I've got 99 problems, but thin lips ain't one. Hi, I'm Pooja. I'm a freelance makeup artist, and today I'm going to teach you a quick way of having plumpier and fuller looking lips using a light lip color. Let's get started. So I'm using this peachy color lip pencil from Colorbar. For your lipstick to stay intact, it's very important to apply a lip liner because it makes sure that the lipstick stays longer and does not bleed. So when I'm gonna start using this lip liner, I'm just gonna start using from where my lip is starting, so just a little above that. Once I've completed the lip liner, I am using this 2-in-1 lipstick from Sugar. I am just going to be using the gloss and I'm going to be placing it right in the center of the lips. Next, I'm using this lipstick in the shade of 657 from Maybelline. It's called the Nude Nuance. Now I'm going in with some gloss. So the gloss that I'm going to be using is the 2-in-1 Smudge Me Not Lip Duo from Sugar. And I'm just going to be using the gloss part of it to apply it in the center of the lips to make it look more plump. I like to stop it here, but in case you have even more thinner lips and you like to make it more plumpier, you can also apply some glitter in the center of the lips. These days we also get a lot of glitter glosses in the market. Just to end the look, I'm again going to go back with this Illuminating powder from Faces Canada and just gonna dab it in the center of the lips. So hope you can see the difference, and if you're somebody who has thinner lips, do try this trick on yourself as well. For more such content, log on to Foxy. Stay fab, stay foxy.